Hi everyone, I'm Donna from the Land Rover Guidebook channel. Today, we will look at the autonomous emergency braking system. To check if a vehicle has an AEB system, you need to look at the instrument panel menu. Forward alert is a setting that alerts you to an object in front of you. All three sensitivity settings are available. The forward alert setting is a setting that only alerts you with a beep sound. To use the AEB system, the AEB setting checkbox must be activated. On May 28, our Land Rover Guidebook channel posted a video of testing the AEB system. I've tested it several times, but all have failed. It turns out that simple objects cannot be detected at all. After that, I prepared for about 4 months. I will make a picture that is exactly like a real vehicle, not a simple object, and test it again.
40km.